Bat Out of Hell is the 1977 debut album by American rock singer Meat Loaf and composer Jim Steinman. It was developed from a musical, Neverland, a futuristic rock version of Peter Pan, which Steinman wrote for a workshop in 1974. The album was recorded during 1975-1976 at various studios, including Bearsville Studios in Woodstock, New York, produced by Todd Rundgren, and released in October 1977 by Cleveland International Epic Records. Its musical style is influenced by Steinman's appreciation of Richard Wagner, Phil Spector, Bruce Springsteen and The Who. Bat Out of Hell has spawned two Meat Loaf sequel albums, Bat Out of Hell 2 Back into Hell and Bat Out of Hell 3 The Monster is Loose. Bat Out of Hell is one of the best-selling albums of all time, having sold over 50 million copies worldwide. It is certified 14x platinum by the Recording Industry Association of America. As of June 2019, it has spent 522 weeks in the UK Albums Chart, the second longest chart run by a studio album. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.